Hello everyone, my name is Alejandro Gomez Madriz. I am the entrepreneur of the project Nostoc.
I obtained my grade as agronomist last year at the University of Costa Rica. My thesis tests the use of Nostoc biomass as biofertilizer in lettuce.
Accidentally working at my pilot farm with my grandfather, I found Nostoc in the road like this.
Reading, talking about, and dreaming a little, I recognized that Nostoc could be a good source of organic nitrogen useful for agriculture.
All world population predictions are forecasting around 9.5 billion people in 2050. I ask you, how all these people will have enough food to eat? We know that conventional agriculture based on green revolution of last century is not the solution.
We believe that today is a very important to change the way to fertilize crops. The nitrogen-fixing cyanobacterium Nostrum commune may represent an opportunity to avoid the negative impacts of soil of mineral fertilizers. It may be relevant to protect our Nostoc fertilizer from product imitations.
According to textile research, the global turnover of biofertilizer industry in 2016 was more than $1 billion and is projected to grow up to $4 billion by the end of 2026. Why is the global market for biofertilizers going up? Because the farmers and the food industry are encouraged to adopt an environmental friendly solution to meet the requirements along the entire food chain value.
Cyanobacteria play an important role at atmosphere, hydrosphere, and pedosphere.
Cyanobacteria, other than nitrogen fixation, they increase the soil porosity, they excrete growth-promoting substances, they increase the soil biomass, they decrease the soil salinity, they increase the soil phosphate solubility, and they increase the water retention capacity.
I'd like to present you my team in this project.
My name is Jose Francisco Aguilar. I'm agricultural engineer and ICT specialist, professor and researcher of Biosystem Engineering School at the University of Costa Rica. I am an advisor engineer for Nostoc spin-off.
My name is Dr. Werner Rodriguez. I am specialized in crop physiology, bioenergy, and use of images in agriculture. In this project, I will play the role of coordinator of researchers.
I am Dr. Ronald Aguilar, faculty at the Biosystems Engineer Department at the University of Costa Rica. My research involved the study of bioremediation systems to recover wastewater. As a researcher in this project, my role is to establish the experimental design to grow Nostoc.
My name is Margarita Silva, professor at the Biology Faculty and Research at CIMAR Costa Rica University. My role in the project is related to the optimization of the Nostoc culture conditions.
My name is Giuseppe Torsillo, associate researcher at the National Research Council of Italy and to CIMAR, University of Costa Rica. 40 years of experience in macroalgae and cyanobacteria physiology and biotechnology. Published about 90 peer-reviewed papers, 16 book chapters, and participated in several Italian and European projects. My main role in the project is to assist the partners in the design of the outdoor facilities and take care of the connection with other microalgal biomass producers, particularly in Europe.
We propose to grow Nostrum commune to fix nitrogen and carbon from atmosphere using sunlight, to produce organic fertilizers which shall result attractive to consumers, since we address the environmental society concern.
We can get money selling the Nostoc biomass as a raw material to the companies that are already making fertilizers. and selling a final product directly to the growners.
We will tune up an open pond to produce Nostoc biomass in the FEMA farm of the institution. The biomass produced will be transformed into a final biofertilizer. The biofertilizer will be tested on farms compared against their actual fertilization technology. We will focus on coffee, organic, sugarcane, and banana growers this year. We believe that the growers can be motivated to use our Nostoc biofertilizer only if they can see with their own eyes the results. The critical competitive success factors are increase the crop yield, active the soil biologically, restore natural soil fertility, and the economy. We will conduct meetings around this pilot experience to show growers and fertilizer producers.
We know that our product is environmental friendly. It has positive effects as growth stimulant and soil improver. Global market for biofertilizers is growing up because mineral solutions are not sustainable, and there are not companies in Costa Rica doing what we are proposing.
What do we not know? The environment conditions required for Nostoc biomass production, the process as drying and packing of Nostoc, the rate and frequency of application for the target crops, the condition to inoculate the soil and keep inoculated with Nostoc commonly.
Solution weakness, the cultural shock that the growers must overcome to adopt a new way of fertilization, and also cost of drying and transportation of Nostoc biomass.
Please review our documents. We are convinced about our ideas, but we are open to any suggestion. Our project has a clear potential for a new biofertilizer based on Cyanobacteria nostoc. So thank you everyone and see you soon.